Here is an ejector pump that went out. Let's get to the replacement. First, get these screws out. Now we have to loosen these bands so we can get the top off. Let's see how the previous pump is looking. Clogged with wipes. We'll put this in the trash. Time to set up the new pump. Make sure it's tight. Have to get this band off. Alright, now we can glue some PVC to the pump. Don't forget the weeping hole. Time to drop it in. Lastly, we have to install the quiet check valve. Last bit of gluing. Plugged up and functional.